Okay, so in order to do the next step of once you've downloaded all your pictures from Teams into here, the next thing you have to do is we need Google Photos. So if you go into your App Store and you search up Google Photos, hold on, I need to make this a little darker so I can see it. It looks like this pinwheel right here. You're going to hit Get, and then what you're going to do is we're going to log in with that Gmail that you guys made for me that's in your Teams right now. So if you don't remember your Gmail address, do you remember your Gmail address?
No.
It should be in the assignment you turned in that was labeled Gmail. Now, if you did what I told you to do, what your password should be is it should be the same as your DPS portal password, all right? So once we do that, we're going to open this. We're going to log into our Gmail. And then you are going to upload the photos.
Then I know what Gmail.
Okay, I don't care anymore. I do care, but I don't care. You're going to go into the right Gmail. So we're going to hit Get Started because I have my Gmail on there. And it would like to, Google Photos would like to send you push notifications. Do you think we need
No.
pushed? I do not think so either. So we're going to hit Don't Allow on that one. Google Photo organizes your photos by faces. Do we want that to happen? Okay, so we're going to say no on that too. And then, but when you're going through here, don't just blindly agree to this. 2, Gmail, your Google Photos will back up your photos if you want it to. And that has saved my hiney on more than one occasion. Now, we're going to allow access to photos so that you can continue to back up. Okay, we're going to hit continue there. Do you want it to have limited access, full access, or limited, right? So we are going to choose the photos that we want to back up to our Google Photo library, all right? And in which case now we've been through and we're going to click on all of these that are that, and then you're going to say, okay, done, and that will load all of them into there. We are not going to do it on here because, as you said, you're not signed into the right account yet. But you are going to load all of these photos into your Google Photo album. Okay? No.